Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up recurring donations in Vinted. So what you'll need to do is basically click on your profile picture on the drop down menu. After that, go to the donations right here, and then you'll see that you can set up a recurring donations. So click on that one. Then select a charity. You may have some more options, but I have right now only two. So let's say I select this one, and here donation rate, you can select that up to 100%. So let's say for this time I'll select only 15, and as you can see, this is the percentage of all of your future sales that will be donated to the charity on your behalf. You can cancel recurring donations at any time in profile and donations. So click on start recurring donations right here, and basically you now enabled recurring donations in Vinted. So when you sell something, you'll donate 15% of your earnings. So how you can cancel it? You can just click manage. You can change a charity, or you can just stop recurring donations. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.